How's it, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel? Today we're going to be talking about the birth name number 6, outer expression, the deeper meaning. Alright, so before we get started, subscribe to our channel, it's free, and also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Birthday number 6, HEXAD, was considered a sacred number because the world was created in 6 days, and on the 6th day, man was created. Pythagoras called it the forms of forms, the articulation of the universe, and the maker of the soul. His followers called it the perfection of parts, and Venus herself, HEXAD, was the source of harmony, and Venus is the mother of harmony. The HEXAD was the perfection of parts because it's the only number from 1 to 10 that was completely equal in its divisions, and produces a hexagon when 6 lines are circularly drawn and adjoined like individual pockets in a honeycomb or a double triangle. Okay, so it is noted that nature is partial to 6-cornered formations of crystals, as well as the relation of the 6 to body and form. It is also seen in the fact that the world consists of 6 sides: north, south, east, west, height, and depth. The vowel in the world O, which in the numerical chart equals 6, and Earth's vowels E plus A equals 1 plus 5 equals 6, both add up to a 6, soul urge number, meaning to propagate the species and to nurture. The number 6 is the symbol of creation, and no creation would have taken place without the Word of God. 6 equates to sex, to bring about creation that can continually renew itself through the vibrational force of number 6. We as humans are here to learn certain lessons, and those lessons are found in our personal names. Every letter and number contains divine attributes of our Creator, talents and qualities that have been given to us at birth. By adding together both the total number values of the vowels and the consonants, you will find the total expression of the name. This indicates the direction that one should find their success and happiness. It combines their innermost desires with the outward projection of their total personality and talents, and therefore paints a true picture of their personality. Ascribe to each of the letters and numbers value in the alphabet in the reference chart below. Vowels in the name tells the basis of your motivation, which is the animating spirit. This is called your soul urge or desire. You desire all that a number has in its vibration. The value of a birth name expression. For example, Dennis uses his name when he comes into contact with others. His name is said when he speaks on the phone, when he speaks to his family and friends, when he opens an account in a bank or a shop. He not only says his name Dennis, he writes it down. Everybody he knows calls him by his name. Numerology, numerical and alphabet reference chart. So it goes from 1 to 9. 1 stands for A, J, and S, right up to 9, and 9 stands for I and R. Name expressions. Dennis, name number 6, outer expression. D equals 4, E equals 5, N equals 5, I equals 9, and S equals 1. You add this all up, it comes to 24. Name equals 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1 equals 24, equals 2 plus 4 equals 6. Therefore, Dennis's name outer expression is equal to the number 6. Okay, so all zeros are dropped if they appear in the name chart. Vowels equal E plus I, which equals 5 plus 9 equals 14, equals 1 plus 4 equals 5. Dennis's vowels total. Therefore, Dennis's soul urge number, inner expression, is equal to the number 5. Name number 6, balance and harmony. I want my voice to be heard. This person needs to consciously develop their creative faculties through the powers of the existing numbers. If they possess a number 3 as well, the task is made easier. Without the 3, they will have to make a mental effort to produce creativity necessary for their development. Number 6, peace and contentment are their greatest desire and don't care for the humdrum activity of exciting places. They prefer a quiet place where they can meditate and mull over anything they wish for and desire, or whether it is really what they want. There is no great drive to obtain what they desire, but once decided upon, they work steadily towards their aims and achieve it, enjoying every step of the way and therefore appreciate things so much more. This faith sustains them throughout their lives. Responsibility is the key to their complete happiness. Truth and justice is for all is their motto, and the golden rule is their code of ethics. Home life, family, and children are most important to them, and they especially love their animal friends. They make an excellent host and put everyone at ease, and a good time is had by all. This they give of themselves constantly, knowing what they do for others, they will do for you. They make good writers, orators, teachers, and politicians. They are highly intuitive and strongly connected to music, colors, and art, and anything that brings harmony and beauty. They make excellent conversationalists and thoroughly enjoy intellectual discussions, and have a keen interest in humanity. Okay, so number six, however, tend to have emotional highs and lows at times when they are particularly vulnerable and must never be deterred from their esteemed goals. They are highly sensitive to vibrations and dislike being criticized and will often do anything for people, even at their own expense. A bit idealistic, they do not sometimes see people or situations correctly and get disappointed when expectations are not met. When things go wrong, they must draw upon their great source of faith, knowing that all will be well soon. Dennis, number six, full name number, and his soul urge number five complement each other in that his soul urge number five will give him the drive to accomplish many things in his life, and his full name number six will keep his intense nervous energy down, whereby both numbers in his birth name chart benefit. Positive attributes: teacher, artistic, humanitarian, serves, and responsible. Negative attributes: moody, argue, meddlesome, and smug. Alright, so that's it for the video on birth name number 6, the outer expression, the deeper meaning. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and subscribe to our channel, it's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated on all our future videos. Alright, so this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Until our next video on numerology, good day on you.